Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Erica, also known as Spiritual Stylist on YouTube. And if you are returning, welcome back to my channel. Hey girl, hey, we missed you. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how I prep my brows for the perfect eyebrow routine. This is pretty much like you went to the wax lady to get your eyebrows done, but you didn't have to pay because you did it yourself. And this routine is what I have been using for years. I learned it from my mom and I kind of just added my steps along the way. And so I'm just going to show you guys what I do in this video. So to start, as you can see, that brow is already pretty much shaved. I'm going to show you how I did that in the next brow. But first, you want to just go ahead and brush up those eyebrow hairs to make sure that everything is straightened and aligned. This is pretty much what you want it to look like. So I'm about to take this brow and make it into that brow. So I'm just brushing up that hair and getting all of those hairlines into place. You pretty much want the front of your brow hair to stand up straight, and you want the angle of your brow hair to stand at an angle, pretty much kind of like how it grows, but the front of the brow is going to grow at an angle, but you just want to bring that up. So I'm going to cut off any excess hair underneath my natural brow line, and you can pretty much shape this to your desired look. If you want a more thinner brow, this is what you can do. If you want a thicker brow, you just want to shave off a little bit. I like my brows to be not necessarily thin, but thinner than what they would naturally grow out to be, because I am typically going to fill in that brow in. So I am going to go ahead now and just take my scissors and just cut the excess hair, and I'm doing this in a straight line, as straight as possible. You want to take your time, be careful with this, because you do not want to cut off too much of that hair. You pretty much just want to create the angle. So just imagine that you were doing your brows and you're drawing in your brow, and whatever hair you think would fall out of the line, you want to cut that off. That's what I did. Just cut off any excess hair, and as you can see, it's starting to come together, y'all. I know I was missing a nail, but that's okay. It was time for a feel anyways. Then I'm gonna just cut straight across my eyebrow line to create a straight line, making sure that any hair that isn't within the imaginary line that I draw for myself, that I imagine for my brow, is cut off. And after that, this is pretty much what you get after you cut off all the excess hair. Now the hard part, whatever brow that you see is way too long that didn't cut, go ahead and pluck it, pluck all those strays. Yes babe, that hurts, it hurts, but it's just a little pinch, you know it's when we got high pain tolerance. Okay, we got it. So then I'm just shaving my eyebrow down. This is going to really make sure that that brow is sharp, and you want to be very, very careful with this. Go slow, do not go too fast. And we cannot forget the middle, babe, because don't nobody want a unibrow, okay, unless that's your style. And if that's your style, then do you, boo. So I'm just brushing off the rest of that excess hair, making sure that everything looks clean and sharp. I absolutely love when my brows are done and they're super, super, super quick to do. I think my friend asked me if I got my eyebrows done, and I said, girl, no, I did it myself. But another part of doing your brows is, for me, I like to shave off the excess hair that leads up to my hairline and through my brow. And that's just me. You don't have to do that. You can skip this step if you like. So then I just go ahead and go into my brow wax and brush all of those hairs up, and then I'm going to cut off again any excess hair that does not fall within that perfect line of a brow. And that is pretty much it, guys, for how I prep my brows for a sharp, clean, perfect brow look. And in the video linked above, you can check out my updated 2023 brow routine. So I will just go ahead and show you guys how my makeup came out in this video. I did do a reel, so y'all probably already seen this content, but alright y'all, I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.